So how to design a website using WordPress. So in this video you'll learn how to design a website using WordPress, guys. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing and like the video and comment, and if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So first things first, you need a WordPress website. Okay, and then if you don't know how to install a WordPress website, there are a lot of tutorials, and also there's a free course. The link is down below where it tells you how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So once you install the WordPress website, all you have to do is click on appearance, themes, click on add new, and then you just have to type Astra over here. Click over here, Astra. So basically Astra is a free theme which you could use on your WordPress website. So currently if you see my website, this is how my website looks. Okay, and even it's not showing properly. So now once I install this theme, just click on activate. Once you click that, and then if I go and refresh my website again, so my website looks really neat and clean right now. So once I install this theme, then all you have to do is click on Astra options. Okay, and then you can click on Astra starter sites, and then there are pre-made templates as well, so you could install these pre-made. So if you go on Astra sites, they are if you click on free, so these are the free ones which you could use on your website, but I'm going to show you how you could create or design your website from scratch. So first things first, all you have to go is create a new page. So just type home, publish, if you go and click on preview. So currently this is how your page looks. The next thing you have to do is click on plugins, click on add new, and type Elementor. So basically Elementor is a free page builder where you could create your website with drag and drop. So this is the secret key on how you could design your website. So once you just click, it's a free plugin, and as you could see, it has 3 million active installations. So once it's installed, just click on activate, and it's activated. Then just go back over here on your page, just refresh your page and click on edit page. So once you click on edit page, you can see this option which is available over here which says edit with Elementor. So all you have to do is click over here, so now it's updating and it will take me to the page builder. So now as you could see, we are over here. So this is a blank page and you could do anything and however you want. Let's say you want to put heading over here. So first things first, we put heading over here. You could make the heading in the middle. So there are a lot of options over here. You could put the welcome to my website. Okay, then you can add an image. You go over here, click on this box, drag over here. You can add an image over here if you wanted medium, you want it small. You can add any image you want. So let's say we can add an image. So let's say we can add over here insert media, we can add this image. If you click on the navigator, so this is how your website is. So basically this is a section. Inside the section you have a column, and inside the column you have an heading and image. So what if we just delete this? So we have our column, right? So inside, when you click on the column, click on style. Okay, and then what if we click over here and upload an image, this image, and then come on column again, come on the section, We can say height, minimum height, and you can increase the height. Thread section. And in fact what we would do is come back on our column style, remove this image. Let's add an image on the section. Come on section, come on style, click over here, click on slideshow or this one classic, add this image. As you could see, looks really good, and there are a lot of ways you could start editing it. This is just the beginning. If you click over here, there are a lot of styles you could select. There are pre-made templates as well. So if you want a pre-made page, so let's say for example, so as you could see over here, pro. So pro means it's a paid version, so you need to buy the advanced version for it, but don't. For me, I would suggest just use free right now. Once you start making money, then you can change it. So let's say we want to use this one. So all you have to do is just click on insert and then connect to template library. So you can just create an account, so which I'm going to do right now, or I think so I already have an account with them. So it's free to set up. I'll just log in and I'll come back. So I've connected my account. You just have to sign up for free. So once I've done that, so now this is how it's installed. If I want, I could delete it, and then as you could see over here, you could just change the image. Click over here, insert media, and you could write something over here, makeup artist or anything you want, and it's very easy. You click on the button, you want to change the style, you can change it. If you come on style, you can change the background color. If I want green, I could do that and click on update. This is how easy it is. It's drag and drop, and this is how you design a website. I don't want to go in much detail because guys, if you go to my website yavarkhan.com, so I'm offering a free training on how to build a WordPress website from scratch and how you could design it. So I show you the best themes, the best web hosting, and the best plugin, and I also show you techniques how to get free traffic to your website. So it's a free course. So I hope to see you inside the course, and thank you for watching. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting, and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.